high call series.
See children here, some boxes are given. This is box and that is the another box. In all these boxes, okay, some numbers are written and in some blanks are also there. Okay, we have to fill up this missing digits in the colored boxes. So, missing digits are colored. Missing digits are colored. Okay, so in the colored boxes, we have to fill up the missing digits. See here, 500 and 900. Okay, 500 and 900 both are multiplied. In this multiplication, first of all, what we do here, you observe the last column here, all zeros are there, and last 45 is there. 5 nines are 40. 5 nines are 40. And how many zeros here? 1, 2, 3 zeros. 4 zeros. That's why here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Okay, whatever 5 nines are 45. And here in the 500 2 zeros are there. And in the 900 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 4 zeros. That's why here 1, 2, 3, 4. In all these boxes, zeros. That's why. 5 nines are 45. Last two boxes, 4, 5. If you multiply with the 0, what we get? All zeros only will come. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 5, 0. If you multiply with the 0, here also zeros only. With the second place digit, we start 0, 0, 0. Okay, now. Next, if you multiply with 9, then what here? 100 plus digit. 1, 2, 3 here almost. Okay, that means 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0, and 9 fives are 40. 9 fives are 45. Like this, we write in the last row, we get the product. So, 4 lakhs 50. Right. Here also, in the second one, you see 700 into 700. 3-digit number into 3-digit number. How can you understand that it is a 3-digit number? Here you see last 7 into 7, 40. 7 sevens are 40. Here 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Total 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Last 4 zeros. Here in 700, 2 zeros. In 700, 2 zeros. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why in the last row, 4 zeros continue. And 7 sevens are 49. That's why here 4 is there, here 9 is there. 4, 9 is there. If we multiply with 0, all zeros only. Here all zeros. If you multiply with 0, here 0, 0, 0 only. Second, here multiply with 0. Here also we can get zeros only. Okay, now starting from 10th place, zeros are 0, 0, zeros are 0, 0, 7s are 0. And if you multiply it to hundreds digit, 7, see, hundreds digits, but here 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49. Last row represents the answer. Last row represents the answer. So 700 into 700 means here 4 lakhs 94. 4 lakhs 94. Like this, just by observing the last row, we can get the remaining digits. And you see, in which places are zeros, and some boxes are filled by numbers. What is the suitable digit we have to write in the given colored box? Like that. Okay, children? Okay, now we go to the next section. In that section, what is there here? Multiply the following by lattice multiplication. What is it? Okay, multiply the next now in the next model. Multiply the following by lattice multiplication. You will see in the section C, multiply the following by lattice multiplication. In the lattice multiplication, we first of all we prepare one 3 by 3 network, 3 by 3 square grid. This is called a 3 by 3 square grid. Okay, children. In the 3 by 3 square grid, okay, we have to fill up the boxes. How should we fill up? You see, multiply all the digits of the first number. Multiply all the digits of the first number with 6 first. Next with 7. Next with 8. So horizontal you write 786. First number we write horizontally 786. Second number 678. That one we write vertically. So first number horizontal and the second one is vertical like this. Okay. Now you multiply all the digits of the first number with 6. See children, here 6 into 6 36. 6 into 8 is 48. And here 6 into 7 40. Now multiply with 7. 7 into 6 42. Next 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. 7 7s are 43. Okay. Now coming here with 8. 8 into 6. 8 6 are 48. 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. And 8 into 7. 8 7s are 56. Like this, we fill up. Next one you see. Now, in each and every inside squares, draw diagonals. Draw the diagonals. Here, draw diagonal. Here also, in all the boxes, draw diagonals like this. This is the diagonal. Every box is showed by a diagonal. Now you see what is the first units place. What is the units place here? 8. What is the units place? 8 here. Observe children. 8 is the units place. That's why 8 is the units place. Now come to here diagonal numbers. What are the diagonal numbers here? 4 plus 4 plus 2. In this diagonal, you see, this one goes to units place. Now, in this diagonal, okay, in this diagonal, like this you have to see. What are the numbers? 4 plus 4 plus 2, right here. 4 plus 4 plus 2. That means how much here? 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. That's why here 0 is there. 0 is there. 1 should be carried. 1 should be carried. Where we write that 1? Here. Here we write. Now, in this diagonal, add. In this diagonal is like this. In this diagonal, add the number. What are the numbers here? What are the numbers here? 1 is carried. And remaining numbers you see here 6, 6, 6, 4, 6. 6, 6, 6, 4, 6. Add. How much? 6 plus 4, 10, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 6, 28. 28 plus 1, 29. Okay, that's why here 9 we got. 29. Okay, now this 2 should be carried. 2 should be carried. That's why here we write 2. Here. In this diagram, 2 carried. Now add thousands. Now come to thousands. What are the numbers here? 2 plus here 2 rounded. Why? Because it should be carried now. 2 plus remaining numbers. In this diagonal take all these numbers. This is the diagonal. Okay. 5, 9, 5, 8, 3. 59583. 59583. Okay, children, are you following? 59583. How much now? See, children, adding here 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 9. How much was 7 plus 9? 16. 16 plus 5 21. 21 plus 8 29. 29 plus 3. How much? 32. 32. So this is 2 strike off. That 2 here. 2 is there. In the actual multiplication, that 2 is there. Next 3 should be carried. 3 should be carried. So here 3 going to the other diagonal. 3 is going to the other diagonal. That's why here 3 should be carried. I told you that 3 here. In this diagonal 3 carried. Now add. What are the digits in this diagonal? In this diagonal, what are the digits? 4 to 4. 4 to 4. Add. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 4, 9. That's why here this 3 is there. Follow children? Now come to lakhs. 1 is carried. Here 1 is not carried here. 1 is carried. Okay. Plus remaining. What is this? This diagonal is over now. This diagonal is complete. Now come to here. That is 4. In this diagonal, 1 carried. Here 4 is there. 4 plus 1 how much is? 5. So 5 is there. So your answer is 5. This is the lattice multiplication. Okay, children? So answer last, finally we can write that one. Therefore 786 into 678 is equal to 532532908. This is actual multiplication. This is lattice multiplication. Understood, children? Like this. Now, same procedure here. Here also we can follow. What is this here? See, children, actual multiplication I showed here. 123 into 123. First number into second number. 3 3 is 9, 3 2 6, 3 1 are 3, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2. Here 1 3 are 3, 1 2 are 2, 1 1 are 2. And add it. 9, 12, 1, 11, 1 1, 5 1. This is the okay, rough in the rough work actual multiplication is shown. This is actual multiplication. Now come to lattice multiplication. What is the procedure then? First number, first of all, what we prepare? We prepare a 3 by 3 square grid. 3 by 3 square grid. Okay. First number horizontal element. First number 120. This number is to be multiplied with the 123. Same number. A number is multiplied by itself. Here what a number is multiplied by itself. That's why 123, 123. And first 123 horizontal, second 123 vertical. Now multiply all the digits of the first number with 1. Okay. 1 3 are 3. 1 3 are 3. 3 can be written as 0 3. So here 0, here 3. 1 3 are 3. Here 1 2 are 2. 1 3 are 3. 1 2 are 2. 1 1 are 1. 1 can be written as 0. 0 2 means 2 only. 0 3 means 3. Now multiply with 2. Okay. 2 3 are 6. Here 0. Here 6. Here 2 2 are 4. Here 0. Here 4. Okay. 2 ones are 2. So 0, 2, like this. Are you following, children? Okay, now come to, now with 3 you see now. Okay, children. With 3. 3 3s are 9. So here 0, here 9. 3 2s are 6. Here 0, here 6. 3 1s are 3. Here 0. Now, in the inside of this square box, every box, in each and every box, draw the diagonal. Draw the diagonal. Here, draw the diagonal. You can extend at the same time, you can extend the diagonal like this. Like this. Here also, see every box we draw by a diagonal. You see? Like this. Here, draw the diagonal and extend. Like here also, see, draw the diagonal straightly. You can extend this diagonal like this. Here also, draw the diagonal. See, every box drawn by a diagonal. Okay, children, now come to units place first. What is the units place? Okay. What is the units place digit is here? 9 is the units place. Here 9, tick mark. 9. Next. Come to tens place. Come to this diagonal. This is the diagonal. In this diagonal, what are the numbers? 6, 0, 6. 6, 0, 6. How much? 12. 12. That's why strike of 2. That's why here 2 we got. One carry to the other diagonal. One is carried to the other diagonal. That means this diagonal is no, in this diagonal, one carry. Now come to hundreds. Come to hundreds. Now observe this diagram. This is the position. In this diagram, numbers what here? 1 carried, round it. Remaining see 3 0 3 0 4 0. What? 3 0 4 3. This diagram. 3 0 4 0 3. 3 1 is carried. 3 0 4 0 3. 3 0 4 0 3. This is the direction. See children, this is the direction. This is the diagonal. In this diagonal, 3 0 4 0 3. Add 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 11. Strike off 1. Here 1 is the tick mark. We got 1. At the same time, we are comparing with the actual multiplication. So this one carried to the next layer. That means here. Going to the thousands. So one carry here, I told. Okay. What are the digits here? Tell. What are the digits? 0 2 0 2 0. What? 0 2 0 2 0. That means this is the diagonal. 0 to 0, 0 to 0 to 0. 0 to 0, 0 to 0 to 0. Okay, students, very carefully follow. That means here we are taking the numbers diagonally. Diagonal means this is the diagonal. Like this. So, one carried that rounded 0 to 0 to 0. Add 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 4. See here. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. See, 5 we got. Tick mark. Tick mark. Now come to 10,000. 10,000 plus what am I here? This one. This diagonal now. See. 0 plus 1 plus 0. This is the diagonal. This diagonal. Okay, 0 plus 1 plus 0. No carrying here. 0 plus 1 plus 0. How much? 0 plus 1 plus 0. 1. So 1 tick mark. Finish. Okay? This 0, no value. Before 0, number before 0, no value. So here what here? 15,129. 15,000. Therefore here what we write? 123 into 123 is equal to 15,129. Like this, we show the lattice multiplication. On the lattice multiplication, explain two problems. The remaining sums you practice. Okay, children? Okay, see children, under the section D, some working sums are there. Okay, there are 3 working sums under the section D. Okay, one sum I teach you how to solve this working problem by writing steps. So, with the help of this, you can solve the remaining 2 sums in your homework. Okay, children. Here, the question is, what is the given problem? A farmer plants 640 trees in a row. How many trees are there in the field? How many trees are there in the field if there are 590 rows? That is the problem. Okay, children, here we can give one margin to the rough part. While doing problems, we get some rough part. There you can do the rough part. See, children, here, what is the first step? In the first step, you see, a farmer plants 640 trees in a row. Row means, you can understand. Row means like, this is called row. Row means like. In that row, in each and every row, 640 trees. How many trees? 640 trees. Trees means, you can understand. Like this. 240. 640 trees. How many trees? 640 trees are there in each row. So, number of rows, number of here, plants, number of trees in each row. Number of trees in each row. How many? 640. That is the first one. So, here we write solution. Number of plants. Number of plants in each row. Number of plants in each row. How many? Each row contains 640. So 640. Number of trees planted. Number of trees planted. Here we can write meaningfully. We write the sentence. Number of trees planted. Number of trees planted in each row. Like if we write like that, the meaning very clearly. Number of trees planted in each row. How many? 6 for. Now, how many rows are there? In how many rows he planted the trees? In how many rows he planted the trees? 590 rows. Like this, rows, how many? 590 rows. How many rows? 590 rows. So, number of rows. Number of rows formed. Number of rows formed. How many rows formed? 590 rows. How many rows? 590 rows. What is asking? How many trees are there in the field? Okay. How many trees are there in the field? In all the 590 rows. Totally how many trees are there? So to get the total number of trees in all the 590 rows, what you have to do here? Multiplication operation. Multiplication. You do the multiplication. Okay, children? So here, total number of trees planted. Total number of trees planted in 590 rows. Total number of trees planted in 590 rows. That means, so multiply 640 into 590. 640 into 590. If you multiply, then we can get the total number of trees planted in 590 rows. You know multiplication. 640 into 590. How we multiply here? Easy process. What is the easy process? We can write like this. 64 into 59 into here 10, here 10. 2 zeros are there. That means 100 we can write. 64 into 59 multiply. And here 2 zeros. With 2 zeros, that means 100 in 100, 2 zeros are there. So 64 into 59 into 100. So in the, now here you show the multiplication. 64, 59. 64, 59 gives how much? 64 into 59. You know multiplication. First multiply with 9. 9 fours are 36. 9 fours are 36. 6 is take off. 3 is there. 6 nines are 54. 54 plus 3, 57. Now multiply with 5. 5 fours are 20. 0. 2 is there. 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 30. Add 6, 7, 7, 3. 3, 7, 7, 6. 3, 7, 7, 6. So here you write 3, 7, 7, 6. Into here 100 is there, no? So multiply with now 100. Multiplication with 100 is easy. Simply we give 2 zeros after this number, at the end of this number. Simply we give 2 zeros. 3, 7, 7, 6, 0. This is the total number of trees planted in 590. So in the margin, we have to show the multiplication. 64, 59, show it. Okay, children. Now, come to this E. Find the quotient and remainder of the following and verify. Verification is also to be shown. Find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and remainder. Okay, children. Find the quotient and remainder. Okay, in the section E, the first one I am taking, and through this division, I will show you the actual division, and after completion of the division, we can write the quotient and the remainder. So you see, children, 9, 5, 2, 4, 3, 0 divide with 254. 254. Here we get a question. Okay, children. Here 952 is greater than 254. With a 3-digit number we are dividing. What number we are dividing? We are dividing with a 3-digit number. That's why in 3 numbers you see. See in 3 numbers. So select 952. 952 is greater than 254. So how many times we can? 952 is greater than 254. So we can select 952. The 3-digit number we can select because this is greater than that. Suppose if it is less than this divisor, if 952, suppose if the number is less than this divisor, then you see in 4-digit number. You see in 4-digit number, not in 3-digit number. When if the number is less than 254. Here 952 is greater than 254. That's why in the 3-digit sum you can select now. How many times you see? How many times it divides 952? So you know, just for some extent we can write 254 into 1 is equal to 254. 254 into 2 means 2 times means 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 0 1 is then 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 5 not 8. 2 times. 3 times means 254 into 3 means 3 4s are 12, 2 1, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16, 6 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 760. 3 times means 4 times means 254 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 6 1, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1 21, 2 is there, 2 4s are 8 plus 2 10. 1016. This is big number. 1016 is greater. This is greater. That's why don't select 4 times. How many times we select? 3 times. How many times we select? 3 times we select. So write 3 here. In the place of the quotient, write 3. 3 into 254. 3 into 254. How much 254? These are 762. Write 762 and 952. Then subtract. 2 minus 2 0. Here 5 minus 6. So take borrow. 15. 15 minus 6 9. Here 8 9 you borrow. That's why here 8 minus 7 1. 190 you got. Now from the division, bring down 4. Bring down 4. Now 1904. In 1904, how many times? 1904, how many times? Extend that table. 254 into 5. 5 fours are 20. 0. 5 fours are 20. 0. 2 is there. 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. 7 2 is there. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. 3 0. 5 4s are 20. 0 2. 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. 7 2 is there. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. 1 2 7 0. How much? Extend it. 254 into 6. 6 fours are 24. 4 2. 6 5s are 30 plus 2, 32. 3 is there. 2 6 are 12 plus 3, 50. 1524. Extend it. Okay. So here number is what? 1904. Nearly how many times? So to get nearly to reach nearly to this extent, 254 into 7. 7 fours are 28. 2 is there. 7 5s are 35 plus 2, 37. 7 3 is there. 2 7s are 14 plus 2, 7. 254 into 8 is 8 fours are 32. 2 3 is there. 8 5s are 40 plus 3, 43. 43. 3 4 is there. 2 8s are 16 plus 4. 2032. So now you compare. Compare the number with this. Compare the number with this. This number is what this is less number than this. This number 1770 is less number than. That's why here. Okay, 8 times means this is more. 2032 is a big number than this. That's why 8 times possible or not? 8 times not possible. That's why how many times we have to select? 7 times. How many times? 7 times. Write 7 times. How much 7 times? 1770. Subtract. 4 minus 8 here, borrow, then 14. 14 minus 8, 6. Here is 0 give borrow, no, so here 9 only. 9 minus 7, 2. Here 0 can't give borrow, that's why we got borrow from the 9. So 9 becomes here 8. 8 minus 7, 1. Here 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 126. 126. Now we bring down 3. We bring down 3. 1263. 1000 now. But the number we got 1263. In 1263, nearly how many times 254 can divide? 254 can divide. How many times you select here? How many times here? 1263 means 4 times means 1060. 5 times means 1200 and 1524. 1524. This is big number. That's why how many times? 5 times you select. How many times? 1270. This is also more only. 1270. This is 1263. 5 times possible or not? Not possible because this is big number. This is small number. That's why how many times you select? 4 times. How many times? 4 times. 1060. 1060. Subtract. 1060 subtract. Okay. Subtraction. 3 minus 6 here. Borrow. Okay. Then 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 6, 7. 6 give borrow now. 5 only. 5 minus 2. Here 2 minus 0. 247. 240. Now, from the written, bring down the last one. 0 into 8. 0. Okay, students. Subtract. So 0 Bring down 2470 now. What is the number? 2470. Now how many times to decide? 2470 means. Okay, extend the table. This is 2032. This is 2032. This is 2470. Increase one more time. 254 into 9. 9 fours are 36. 3 there. 9 fives are 45 plus 3 48. 8 4 is there. 2 nines are 18 plus 4 20. 2286. 2286. 9 times. How many times? 9 times means 2286. If you take 5 times means 254 into 10 means 2540. You are getting more. 2540 is more than this. That's why you select only 9 times. How many times? 9 times. 9 times means how much we got? 2286. Subtract 0 minus 6 here 4. Borrow we are taking now 10 minus 6 4. Here borrow you got 6. From 6 we can't subtract 8. We can't subtract 8. Borrow from here, from the before place. Then 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay, children, 16 minus 8 is 8. Now here 3 is there, now here 3 minus 2 1. This is what the remainder. Here all digits over to bring down. That's why no digit to bring down. So over division is completed. This is what 184 is the remainder. 184 is what? Remainder. This is question. The children. Division work is short. 3740 is the question. Remainder is 184. Remainder is 184. Verify. Verify is there. Verification means what we do? Verification means multiply divisor and quotient and add 184. Add 184. So here verification. So here we write conclusion. What we write conclusion? Quotient is equal to 3749 and remainder is equal to, what is the remainder? 184. Verify means to check your answer. Verification. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That's why divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the divisor here? 254. What is the quotient? 3740. Multiply these two. After that add remainder. What is the remainder? 180. Okay, children? So, multiply 3749 into 254. To that add 180. To that add 180. Then you will get, what you will get? Dividend. You can get dividend. Okay, children. So, multiply 3749 with 254. I show you the division in the multiplication in the margin work. The margin work. 3749 into 254. 4 nines are 36. 3, 4 fours are 16 plus 19. 9 1. 4 sevens are 28 plus 1 29. 9 2 is there. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 4. With 5. 5 nines are, okay. 5 9s are 45. 5 4 is there. 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24. 2 is there. 5 7s are 35 plus 2 37. 3 is there. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18. With 2. 2 9s are 8. 2 9s are 18. 8 1 is there. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 7s are 14. 4 1 is there. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Add 6 9 5 14. 4 here 1 carried. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 1 9. Okay, 22. 2 here 2 9 plus 11. 11 plus 1 18. 18 plus 4 22. Here 2 right. 8 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 8 14. 14 plus 1 15. 5 1 is there. 7 1 8 plus 1 9 5 2 2 4 6. How much? 9 5 2 2. To this what we have to add? Remainder 184. Add 184. 9 5 2 2 4 6 plus 184. 184. Okay. Then 6 plus 4 10. 0 1 is there carried. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. 3 1 is there. Okay. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Here 2, here 5, here 9. 9 5 2 4 3 0. Right. Okay, children. This is verification. After how much we got? 5 9 5 2 4 3 0. Okay, so divisor quotient multiplied and to that product remainder added, then we got 9 5 2 4 3. So your sum is correct.